What is happening, everyone, and welcome back to iPad Focus. The tech world never sleeps, and neither do we. We're diving headfirst into the latest, hottest news that's shaking up the industry, and you absolutely do not want to miss a single second. Get ready for some seismic shifts, some surprising turns, and some insights that will redefine how you look at your favorite devices. The pace of innovation is relentless, and we've got the inside scoop on what's making waves right now. This is where you get the unmissable updates, the stories that everyone will be talking about. Strap in, because we're about to break down the biggest developments, and first up, a move from one of the biggest names in tech that's raising eyebrows everywhere. Next, we're heading south for a vibrant celebration of local tradition and the iconic fruit that defines a region. It's a festival that brings communities together, showcasing a rich history and a whole lot of community spirit. We'll explore the sights, sounds, and tastes of this beloved annual event. Then, we're shifting gears to real estate and urban development, looking at a significant change in a major tech hub. A former campus, once at the heart of innovation, is getting a new lease on life. We'll delve into what this rezoning means for the area and its future. And finally, we're turning our attention to the financial markets, dissecting the forces that could send shockwaves through one of the world's most valuable companies. We'll break down the key factors investors are watching and the potential risks and rewards that lie ahead. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join the iPad Focus family for all your essential tech updates. A bold new direction. Prepare yourselves, because one of the titans of the tech industry might be making a U-turn that nobody saw coming. Whispers in the digital ether suggest that Apple is contemplating a significant redesign for its upcoming iPhone 17 Pro, a move that could see it adopting a look strikingly similar to its main competitor, Google's Pixel. This isn't just a minor tweak, it's a potential paradigm shift, a swallowing of pride that could redefine the very aesthetic of the iPhone. For years, Apple has cultivated a distinct design language, a signature look that has become instantly recognizable and fiercely defended. The idea that they might pivot towards a design reminiscent of the Pixel, a device often lauded for its clean lines and distinct visual identity, is a fascinating prospect. It raises so many questions. Is this a strategic masterstroke to counter the Pixel's growing influence, positioning the iPhone as the iPhone of Android in reverse? Or is it a sign of a company looking to embrace a new design philosophy, one that prioritizes user perception and market trends above all else? The implications for the smartphone market are immense. If Apple, a company known for setting trends, starts following them, it could signal a broader industry shift. This decision, if it comes to fruition, will undoubtedly be scrutinized from every angle, analyzed by tech enthusiasts and industry experts alike. It's a story of adaptation, competition, and perhaps a touch of humility in the face of relentless innovation. We'll be watching closely to see if this radical redesign actually materializes and what it means for the future of smartphone aesthetics. The tech world is buzzing with this potential development, and for good reason. It challenges the established narrative and opens up a whole new conversation about design influence and market strategy in the highly competitive smartphone arena. Is this the best decision Apple could make? Only time will tell, but it's certainly one of the most talked about potential moves in recent memory. But is this the only major shift happening in the world of Apple? We're also heading to North Carolina for a look at a beloved annual festival that's all about the state's most famous export. Harvesting community spirit. The air is filled with the scent of apples and the buzz of excitement as the 79th annual North Carolina Apple Festival in Hendersonville draws to a close. This cherished event, a cornerstone of the community, has once again celebrated the region's rich apple-growing heritage with a vibrant display of local culture and tradition. The festival, which spans several days, culminates in the Grand King Apple Parade, a spectacle that transforms downtown Hendersonville into a lively showcase of floats, marching bands, and local artisans. It's more than just a parade. It's a heartfelt tribute to the farmers, producers, and the entire community that makes the North Carolina apple industry thrive. This year's festival marks a significant moment, signaling a strong recovery and a return to full celebration following recent challenges, including the impact of Hurricane Helene. The resilience and spirit of Hendersonville are on full display, as residents and visitors alike come together to honor their local bounty. Attendees have described the experience as deeply nostalgic and quintessentially American, with longtime residents sharing how the festival has been a part of their family traditions for generations. The emotional resonance of the parade, for instance, evokes a powerful sense of Americana and community pride, bringing tears to the eyes of many who have witnessed its evolution over the decades. With an estimated 250,000 people flocking to Hendersonville each year, the festival is not only a cultural triumph, but also a significant economic driver for the area. It provides a platform for local businesses, craftspeople, and farmers to connect with the public, share their stories, and celebrate their hard work. The success of this year's event, especially in its return to full scale, underscores the enduring appeal of community gatherings and the deep connection people have to their local heritage. It's a testament to the enduring strength and spirit of North Carolina's apple country, proving that traditions, when cherished and supported, can blossom year after year, bringing joy and a sense of unity to all who participate. From the sweetness of apples to the hard lines of urban planning. We're now heading to a major tech city where a former Apple hub is set for a major transformation. A new chapter for a tech landmark. In a significant development for the Northwest Austin landscape, a former Apple campus has officially been rezoned, paving the way for a new era of development and opportunity in the region. This strategic move by the City Council marks a pivotal moment for the area, signaling a shift from its past as a technology powerhouse to a future with diversified land use and potential economic growth. The rezoning of this expansive site, which once housed significant Apple operations, is a complex process that considers the evolving needs of the city and its residents. It opens the door for a variety of new projects, which could include residential spaces, commercial ventures, or mixed-use developments, promising to reshape the local environment. The implications of this decision extend beyond the physical transformation of the property. It represents a broader economic narrative for Austin, a city already renowned for its thriving tech sector. As companies continue to expand and adapt, the repurposing of existing infrastructure, like this former Apple campus, becomes crucial for sustainable urban planning. This rezoning is expected to attract new investment, create jobs, and enhance the city's appeal as a dynamic place to live and work. It's a move that balances the preservation of Austin's innovative spirit with the practical demands of urban expansion. The community will be watching closely as plans unfold, anticipating how this revitalized space will contribute to the city's vibrant culture and economic future. This is more than just a change in zoning. It's a redefinition of a significant piece of Austin's technological history, setting the stage for its next act in the city's ongoing story of growth and adaptation. Now, let's pivot from real estate to the stock market. We're analyzing the key factors that could make or break Apple's stock price in the coming months. Navigating the currents of Apple's stock. Apple AAPL remains one of the world's most closely watched and valuable companies, a beacon of innovation and a cornerstone of many investment portfolios. Its reputation for strong brand loyalty, consistent financial performance, and a vast ecosystem of products and services has long cemented its status as a reliable investment. However, in the rapidly evolving tech landscape, even giants like Apple face a dynamic set of catalysts and risks that can significantly influence its stock performance. A primary driver of optimism surrounding Apple's future is its anticipated deep dive into artificial intelligence. While competitors like Microsoft and Google have already made considerable strides, Apple is poised to integrate advanced AI capabilities into its flagship products, particularly the iPhone. These potential AI-powered features, such as an enhanced Siri, more intuitive photo editing tools, and on-device real-time transcriptions designed with user privacy at their core, could ignite a new wave of device upgrades. This is especially critical given recent sales slowdowns in key markets like China, where domestic competitors such as Huawei are increasingly challenging Apple's market share. The success of these AI initiatives could be a crucial factor in reversing any downward trends and reaffirming Apple's technological leadership. Complementing its hardware ambitions, Apple's burgeoning services division, encompassing the App Store, Apple Music, iCloud, and more, continues to be a powerful engine for recurring revenue and higher profit margins. With over 2 billion active devices globally, the company's ability to generate consistent income from its integrated ecosystem is a significant strength. Furthermore, Apple's aggressive share buyback program, highlighted by a recently announced $100 billion repurchase plan, serves as a strong indicator of management's confidence in the company's long-term strategy and provides a crucial support mechanism for the stock, even amidst fluctuating product sales. Despite these strengths, challenges loom. The aforementioned weakening iPhone demand, particularly in China, poses a persistent threat. Regulatory scrutiny from governments in the US, Europe, and China regarding App Store policies and ecosystem control presents another significant hurdle. Any mandated changes, such as opening up app distribution or reducing service fees, could directly impact the lucrative services segment. Lastly, Apple's current valuation, trading at a premium to its historical average, suggests high investor expectations. Any missteps in product launches or earnings reports could lead to a notable stock correction. Wall Street analysts currently maintain a moderate buy consensus, with a majority of ratings leaning towards holding or buying, indicating a generally positive but cautious outlook on AAPL's future prospects. Now that we've covered the market movers, let's wrap up this episode. We'll give you a quick recap of all the top stories and tell you how to stay connected. What a rundown of incredible updates. We've seen potential design shakeups, celebrated community traditions, analyzed urban development, and dissected market forces. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this episode informative, subscribe for more of the latest tech news, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Connect with us on all our social media platforms to join the conversation. Thanks for watching iPad Focus, and we'll see you in the next one.